What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know you're sitting here like, what can it be? The red car is actually out of the garage. Yes, it is. Yes, it actually is. It
surprised me.
Yeah, I get surprised over. But yes, I mean, it's literally been like 6 months since, I mean, and you know, busy, Corona, whatever. But we got all these parts about to go on. We got the contour fans. We got the LMR contour fan install kit and the black SVE radiator. Finally gonna get the car cooling down. Guys, here's the deal. This single fan, it just, in cold weather like today, it only got up to about 200. It's, what is it, like 50 degrees today, something like that?
My bad.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It did okay driving at speed, but as you can see, I mean, it doesn't even cover half the radiator overall, and it's just never been able to keep up, especially when we were in Mustang week running the air conditioning. It was not bueno. So the deal today, guys, the ultimate mod, the contour fans, and of course, do yourself a favor, buy the kit. That's what we're gonna put on today, solve all the cooling issues once and for all. All right, yes, the black radiator. I've been wanting this for a while. Man, it's pretty deep. And mostly because it's like the only thing polished under the hood, and the tank is polished too. And it just kind of stuck out like a sore thumb. So we're going incognito. That's very nice, I like that. And actually, it's a little bit thinner, and it's gonna give a little more room. You can see my freaking cold air intake literally sits against the radiator, so I'll solve that issue too. I'm excited. Okay, guys, here we go. Having some technical difficulties and lost all of my time-lapse footage, but I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick update. Got everything drained out, intake off. We did pick up a lower temp thermostat. This has still got the truck 189-degree thermostat in it, so I'm going to drop this Mustang thermostat in. So it's going to run a little cooler. Got everything drained. About to pull that radiator out, but got everything pretty well assembled, guys. This is no trouble to assemble. Get your clips here with the bolts going through it, and then here's your little overflow tank. That's how that mounts up there, as you can see right there. And then of course you got both the pigtails on. So basically all you got to do, power and ground, and this is going to hook into the control pack. So no sweat hooking these up on a Yoti. Very excited. This is looking really good. Also, guys, I wanted to show you another quick reason why I did this. As you know, back when I got all this stuff from JLT, I had it custom painted to match the car. And yeah, the radiator being so large, as you can see, it hit there every time. And then also where my coolant jug right there, that, guys, will hurt your heart. It basically destroyed it. As you can see, this is where it was hitting on the overflow jug, which I always hated where that was. But, you know, at the time we were trying to get it knocked out, and there's just other stuff going on. But, yeah, guys, I'm fixing to yank this out, and just about time to get everything new installed. I'm super excited. All right, guys, about time to get it back together, and Dover has killed the wiring If you wonder why I asked Dover to wire, because he wires better than I do. And he made it pretty. Dude, you really killed it with all the sheathing and everything. Yep. This looks great. No, that looks amazing. Super excited. I'm fixing to drop this thing back in. And should be good to go. All right, boys, we are making progress. I got the radiator in, got the cold air intake. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, for you swap guys, this top fan, it's gonna present a problem, and I'll pull you down. And right there, you can see. Now, I've got the 18 intake with a 45-degree coupler that points it back down. And when you shut the hood, it does clear, but like, you ain't gonna get a piece of paper in between them. But it does work. So, and now that it's moved, you get to see all the big scratches and destruction of my beautiful JLT cold air. I will go cry later on. I'm sorry. And plug all this back up. Mass air is plugged up. Yeah, I'm about ready to make some noise. I'm even gonna run my spiffy Ford Racing radiator cap. So new thermostat, fans, radiator. She ought to run super, super duper cool. I'm very, very excited. It's gonna be epic. All right, coolant is full. I always bleed right there. Once it starts spewing out of there, you're good. We still got a few bubbles. We'll go ahead and run it. What do you think? Want to back it out?
Yeah, let's go get the motor. Lay it down, back it out.
All right. The only jack, low profile, that'll actually go underneath the car. All right, boys, I'm gonna get her out, see what she do. I think I say it comes spewing out of there without any air, so. Let's see. Sitting about 120. Of it. Fans are on. Things are moving some air. They on. Come on. I guess it's about 200. They come on. All right, boys. So there you go. We got upgrades. It's been a long time coming. Finally got the contour fans on here. Should be nice and cool. I can run the air. And yeah, got the fans on in time for winter. No, guys, seriously though, it's been a long time coming. Get these bad boys on here, and it looks so much better than that big polished radiator. Cleaned everything up, gonna cool better, so run with the air in the summertime without a worry. I freaking love this car. Love it. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Guys, we got a lot more coming. We got a brand new build coming that's been waiting, I don't know, almost a year to get in. And so I'll be introducing that to you in the next video. So you'll want to stay tuned for that. And may get this thing on the track. I don't know. It's, you know, it's racing weather. Well, they call it boost weather, but I don't have boost. But well, maybe we'll talk about that next too later.